Hey everybody, it's Lily's little sister, and today we're going to Justice to see if there's a metallic Shopkins fridge. So, let's go.
We're going to the mall to find... Hi little sister, what are we trying to find again? Oh, I remember. What are we trying to find?
What are you looking for?
Yeah, what are we looking for?
The metallic Shopkins.
The Shopkins metallic fridge? Yes, that's what we're looking for. Yeah, it has a metallic Miss Mushy Moo.
And Graham Jam.
Yeah, and Graham Jam.
Anyway, so you heard.
Yeah, we heard that they had it at Justice, so that's what we're going to look for.
Cool.
We're in the mall. Okay, Justice is straight down here. So that's Justice. Oh yeah, we're almost there. We're here. I'm hiding. Okay, Shopkins. That's what we're looking for. Metallic fridge. There's lots of cool stuff. Lots of different kinds of candy, Halloween stuff, sour vampire bats. Lots of little... You found a metallic fridge! Oh my gosh.
I want those little eggs.
Yeah, they're so cute.
And plus, it comes with baggies.
Yeah, it does. And it's
I wish it really came with Cold Cube right there. Like it said.
Yay, we found it. All the Shopkins are over here. Oh, wow. They have lots of Shopkins. Lots and lots. They have an ice cream truck. And I guess the metallic fridge was under here, all hidden. With the makeup spot.
Yeah, I'm gonna make a slide.
They have some squishy pops. They have Shopkins candy and another metallic fridge. Oh, and Shopkins Pop Rocks. Poppins candy. And lots of blind boxes. Lights, micro lights. Lots of stuff to wear. I wonder if they have any Ever After High here still. I wonder where it would be. Maybe over here. This is the sale rack. Like the sale toys and stuff. Let's go look. They have Moshi Monsters. Oh my. I think it's a Narwhal.
Hey,
Mommy!
Is that one of the snoring?
It's a Narwhal!
Oh my goodness.
So short.
Can't see it.
Let me reach it.
Got him!
So cute. Give me one.
It's still $20.
I'll buy him. I'll buy him.
And
You
now-
get the metallic fridge. I'll buy him. I want to sleep on him.
We're trying to get rid of stuff.
What?
We're moving. We're at
$4.90, so about probably around $26,
I want the
$27
little
with tax.
baby eggs.
Yeah, they're cute.
You can have this machine.
I think we'll share them.
Me.
When there's soda, Gucci, Grand Jam. But no, this is Miss Mishy Moo Grand Jam Apple Blossom. I think it's some little sipper. Don't know that one's name. Or is
Twist or
that
something
one?
like Twist.
Yeah. Ooh, Bean Boozled. I didn't know they stuff. And I don't know this one's name is Tommy Ketchup, maybe? I don't know. I forgot. They have Monster High. Ooh, Ever After High. Yeah, $20.
The clearance isn't like an extra 40% off or anything today.
I don't know. I can't reach back there, so. Just a bunch of apples. And lots of Monster High.
What is this?
Mountain Dew lip balm.
Mmm.
Here.
Pancakes!
Look at this.
Oh, it's mochi monsters. Oh, it's Grumpy Cat.
In a sweater?
It's his Christmas Grumpy Cat.
Oh,
Here.
I want this. Can I get a Miss Mushy Moo?
A mochi
Moshi
monster.
monsters.
I want this thing.
There's all justice.
Are you smelling?
Oh, that was too fast. We got the metallic fridge.
Watch where you go. Watch where you go. Sorry.
We got stickers.
Yeah, they gave us stickers. So we got the metallic fridge, and we're gonna do a review on it later.
Hopefully today.
Yeah, hopefully today. After we get lunch. Or samples.